So in this point, the legal preparedness, yeah, you've had time to think about it, digest it. You've already consulted with an attorney, whether you retain them or not. You now have some legal advice to kick things around and make more understanding of what you're going to do. Maybe they've told you to get your finances and start printing out bank statements and getting all the financial stuff ready for when you do pull the trigger. That's done. So yes, you do have that advantage that you are more prepared as opposed to the respondent who one day at home or work gets served by a process server or the sheriff and says, "You've been served, here's your divorce papers." And you're reading through it. You have no clue. You haven't met with an attorney. You haven't had a consultation. You haven't got prepared financially. And you're dealing with the shock of, oh my God, my spouse just filed for divorce and I had no idea. So there is that benefit there. That person is already ahead of the game. Now, on the amicable side of things, that doesn't happen. We don't have a shock and awe. I don't file a case unless the spouse knows that both part knows that I'm being hired. I have a initial worksheet for people to provide me their initial information, like so we can file names, addresses, date of marriage, data separation, just the boilerplate for what we need for the petition. And at the very top of the sheet, it says of the worksheet, it says, before you fill this out, just know that within 30 minutes to an hour after submitting this, I will be adding your spouse to our communication system, our portal, and sending out a welcome email, bringing everybody into the loop. So we don't want that shock and awe. We don't want them to be surprised. So make sure they know before you fill this out.